Right guys, we've set up the PO19, but this time what we're going to do is give you a few tips and tricks and little things that we recommend that will just make a bit of a difference, okay? The first obvious change, okay, is to go from the standard Tritec tip to the Ultra tips. We just find them so much more controllable. You can dial down the pressure and get a really, really good fan with these. Okay, they do all the sizes, we really rate them. Secondly, change from a 4-finger to a 2-finger. Okay, it's very straightforward. You just remove the bolts, okay, and then what you do is just swap it over. I've yet to do this because we've only just got it. It's a lot more controllable. A 4-finger is more of a contract, so you're doing lots of big areas. But with a machine like this, it's more residential, therefore you want something a lot more control. A 2-finger makes a big difference. Thirdly, okay, we just change for these filters, okay? We can give you the link for these filters. It's just the fact that they're very easy to use, they're 100 mesh, job done. Finally, okay, we'll give you a link for these. We believe that these machines should come with a gauge as standard, okay? They don't, so I suggest that you buy a gauge, okay? They're not overly expensive, and then what you do is you just affix it between the pump, okay, and the hose. So it just fits in between there. This one's yet to, it's one that I've got as a spare, so it's going to go on there. It's just not on there at the moment, okay? And then in a camping shop, or if you see these laying around, these were for the netting that goes around scaffolding buildings, and we use these to tie up, obviously, the hose. Just little bits there that we recommend to make a bit of a difference on your machine. Okay. One of the first things I would do, okay, because you haven't got a gauge, is just to add a couple of bits of tape. Okay, to the pressure gauge. Get yourself a Sharpie and just literally give yourself a line. Okay, and then another line here, which is a half. Okay, so when you're doing the pressure to gauge, okay, until you can actually, whether you decide to put one or not, okay, drop it down, okay. So again, what I would do with this is I will just give you an S and an R, which is spray, okay. Just stops the confusion. Spray down, spray down. We're going to turn on the power, okay. That's all the way to 0, pretty much, the minus, okay. So that's the lowest pressure that you can get with the machine as turned on. So what we're going to do is 1 full turn, 2 full turns, okay? That's a 310, okay? So that gives you an idea of how much pressure you've put, okay? A nice pattern, okay? And not too much overspray. We'll turn it up another notch. Okay, so that's 2, that's 3 now. It's coming out slightly more. 4. More again, okay? It just gives you an element of being able to control it at this early stage before you put a gauge. Okay, let's say you want to go back a little bit. So let's go back a turn. Okay. At the moment, that is still pressurised for 4 turns, and we've dropped to 3. So all you do is just gently release a bit of pressure out of the release valve. That's now 3. See, that's dropped. Let's turn it down again. Oops, wrong way. And then just release a bit of pressure. That's it. And we're back down to 2. Great little tips and tricks there, guys.